Also in this video, I have a flashing light phenomena update to share with you guys with a twist. And we're going to start with the twist. I received an email from Mark, and he said there's another mystery, and the first thing he thought of was the flashing light phenomena. I'll summarize the email that he shared with me. He said he's been having problems with the smoke detector in his apartment that he's lived at for 13 years. He went down to the front office and let them know that the smoke detector wasn't working properly, and they said that they would have to order a new one. He said he lives in a 43-unit complex, and the management said that they've had numerous apartments that have recently had the same issue. Multiple smoke detectors going faulty at the same time. If you guys have shared that experience, leave a comment down below in the comment section. 495 is where we're at now here in the United States. The first videos out of Montreal, Canada. We're up to 18 in Canada. First video sent in by Trevor as he was driving down the freeway. And as you can clearly see, lights on both sides of the freeway flashing for unknown reasons. They're not purple. They were just flashing rogue and randomly. There's other lights here in the vicinity that seemed to be working fine. It was just a patch, once again, of rogue and random lights. Like you see here, video footage sent in by Mark out of Orlando, Florida, on the Florida Turnpike. I've been on this turnpike. I believe it's called the Beeline Highway. And when I was on it, I don't remember the lights being purple. This went on for at least a couple of miles. Dozens of lights that turned purple all at the same time. And as we've mentioned before, if they have a faulty component, how are they all going faulty at the same time? That's equally as big of a mystery. How could they all be going bad at the same time? Like I've said before, the light bulbs in your house, one or two here and there, for them all to go out at the same time, that would be a little bit mysterious. There were way too many purple lights to count in this video, but the video footage showed probably 2 miles of lights that had turned purple for unknown reasons. And the next video is out of Washington, sent in by Ramon, of a car's headlights malfunctioning. Now we're starting to see multiple vehicles malfunctioning. This is probably the 6th, maybe the 7th that we've seen here in the last month. Going to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Video footage sent in by Jim H. from May 8th of 2025. He too was driving down the highway when all of the street lights above the road started malfunctioning for unknown reasons. Unbelievable. How can they all go bad at the same time? To me, something is interfering with the flow of electricity, something magnetic. Robbie, along the West Coast, not sure of the location, but this entire parking lot, at least the vast majority of it, as you can clearly see, had multiple lights malfunctioning, again, for unknown reasons. Example number 6 out of Wiley, Texas. Video sent in by William. Malfunctioning light in the hallway of his house. We've seen many examples of that. Video number 7 sent in by Mark out of Glendale, Arizona. Right out here in Arizona, we too are seeing the freaky flashing lights. They're showing up rogue and randomly all over the city. Glendale, Peoria, Bullhead City, Southeast Phoenix, Queen Creek. We've seen lights in Santan Valley malfunctioning. It's happening out here in Arizona as well. I put these two videos side by side as they appeared to be the same exact thing. One rogue light malfunctioning all by itself. Next video is out of Burbank, California. I received 2 videos from 2 different people out of Burbank, California on the night of May 8th of malfunctioning lights in a large parking lot like you see right here. And coming up is video number 2 sent in by Nick. This video here was sent in by AJ. Here's Nick's video out of Burbank in yet another parking lot. Lights malfunctioning for unknown reasons. This is extremely rogue and random. It is global. This is happening all over the world, and you never know when or where it's going to show up.